Well, good evening, everyone. It's a great pleasure to be here today, and thank you for the kind word and the introduction. We have a lot to talk about in this week on the eve of the Beijing Motor Show. As mentioned, the Beijing Motor Show is a very special motor show because China is the biggest car market in the world, and it is still developing and evolving fast. We have a few very important announcements for the Beijing Motor Show, and today we want to give you the opportunity to have a few information firsthand and talk about some of these vehicles, our global strategy, and what we're planning here for INFINITI in China. First of all, on Wednesday, we will launch the all-new QX50, locally produced in China for our Chinese customers. This is a big step forward for us, together with our partner, Dongfeng, who is not only a long-term partner for us, but also a driving force for everything in terms of market development, in terms of production, and making sure that the INFINITI success in China is sustainable. On top of that, we already announced, and we will underline this, that the QX50 is only the first step of an aggressive market expansion with new models. We are planning to launch 5 new vehicles in 5 years here in China for INFINITI. And this is an important step for us because it underlines our commitment to China. It underlines our commitment, together with our partner, to serve our customers and expand the business, not only for the joint venture, but also for our dealer network. And from 2021, all INFINITIs, globally and here in China, will be electrified. Will be based on a brand new developed platform that we will launch into the markets globally and in China. And we expect that from 2025, 50% of our sales will be with electric or electrified powertrains. A very important step for INFINITI. And to show you how that step could look like, we have brought a special car today, the Q Inspiration. The Q Inspiration is based on this new platform development for INFINITI electrified vehicles. And it gives inspiration to our designers and engineers what the next generation can look like, and it gives you an idea of what we have in mind when we talk about the future of luxury and the future of INFINITI.